hello. Okay, hello, people. Sorry, come please take a seat. Have you two ever met before?
No.
Oh, you're strangers, perfect.
I'm Becca.
I'm Carol.
Carol, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Jenny, this is Devin.
Hello.
Devin,
How are
this is Jenny. Elizabeth, this is Annie. Dina, Elka. Andrea, this is John. All right.
Nice to meet you.
This is too much, okay? You two are gonna draw each other, okay? First rule, never lift your pen up off the paper, okay? Not once, one continuous line. Rule number 2, never, ever, ever look down at the paper upon which you are drawing.
No.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me.
If you do look down, I will catch you doing it and embarrass you in front of other people, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, begin drawing. And just go slow. Imagine your eyes are like connected to your pen. You're looking all around the lines.
Almost
It's okay.
You did it.
Keep going.
I know, I stopped myself.
I know, I can't figure out how to get back to your eye. I'm trying to go. I'm gonna skip over your nose.
If I want to stop now, can I?
No, this is fantastic. I'm like,
No, keep going.
I forgot if you lips. You might have 2 pairs of lips.
I'm sorry,
Right.
John. I'm so sorry.
3, 2, 1, stop. And look down at your beautiful drawing.
You actually did a really great job.
Yeah, I tried to get the place.
I was nervous the entire time.
Were you? What were you nervous about?
I was nervous that it was gonna look like this.
You know, it's always scary a little bit, right? Because you want to control it.
Childlike, like you're becoming non-concrete in some sense, that you're tapping into your inner feelings, I think.
That was interesting to watch your eyes move while I was working, thinking about what you were doing while I was doing this.
To not think and actually listen.
Right.
And then just slow and try.
It was really lovely to look at you. I hadn't thought about how much more vulnerable it would feel being looked at.
Yeah.
You know, I've noticed in myself I'm kind of a perfectionist or control freak sometimes. So this is, you know, challenging that for sure. It was about like, what do you see in the other person? How are you connecting with them?
Well, he didn't make it hard on me because he smiled and laughed a lot. So his face changed a bunch.
Yeah.
But I also wanted to capture your 2 sets of glasses, which are like...
Sometimes there's 3.
Is this a rosy cheek? That's awesome.
eyes.
That's great.
I need to like try and add some style. I was like, I gotta capture some of this style somehow. I was trying to like channel that through my lines and make them wispy up here.
I am seeing style. Can you hold them up? Yes. So great. Love it. Okay, cool. Great. Yes.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
I get it. It's the hair. I think you captured the hair.
Yes.
That.
I love them. Amazing.
Thank you.
This is worth a lot of money. Just FYI.
It's a masterpiece.
You guys can keep them. Keep your, yeah. Right on.
I'm so jealous. Yours is so good.
If you want to do a Draw Together Strangers in your community, you can click the link below and download a free toolkit. I'm Wendy Mac, and I can't wait to see what you do. And do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe.